Alright, so this is flight number 2 in the Piper Arrow 3. I just got a short video here with the GoPro watching the gear transition up as we take off and down as we prepare to land.
Bring it in and full stop landing. Portakai traffic.
65, rotate. Skip.
And Portakai traffic, this is Cessna 7860 Foxtrot on Bravo, crossing 927 Portakai.
Alright. You feel like we can land on the remaining? We're done.
65 Tango, we're going to be departing runway 18 right now. Porter County.
You're in transition? Are we going to go gear down? Yep. That's fine. Gears in transition. Cool. 1, 2. Pretty green. Awesome. All right.